In this video we will learn how to crop PDF. So let's start. So this is my PDF. So here I just double click on it and open this PDF, and you can see only one page on this PDF. So this page I'm going to crop it. Okay, to crop the PDF I'm using here the one online tool. It's absolutely free. So I just open this online tool, just click on the Google browser, and you can check here the URL of this tool, just pdfcandy.com/crop dash pdf dot html. Okay, and after that you can just add the file here to crop your PDF. Just click on the add file, and I select here the file. I just go to the desktop and select the file and click on the open. Then here you can see the PDF is showing. Now you can easily crop. So I just crop only this area. Okay, I just crop this. Okay, that's it. And after that just click on the crop PDF. Okay, the cropping is in process. Done. Now just click on the download file and just double click on it and open it, this file, and you can see the file is cropped. Okay, this is a way you can crop the PDF. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.